There it is, look at that, boys. Still cooking in that pan now. So we're gonna take this, put it on the plate, it's time to eat, come on. All right guys, I'm back with another one. Of course, high protein. I'm gonna keep this one low carb, but I'm gonna show you some carb options as well. Now I was coming home and I was thinking on my way home, I was like, man, what do I have at home that I can make really quick, man? I'm hungry, and I always tell you to try to keep certain items in stock, okay? Try to keep your protein in stock and just try to keep some type of condiments, some type of spices so that it'll stop you from stopping at a fast food place on the way home. You'll be like, no, I'm gonna go ahead and make this when I get to the house, you know? Check this meal out. This one is super quick. I know I had these ingredients. I'm gonna show you the ingredients right now. We're gonna cook it up and man, it's gonna be so quick. Let me show you what we're talking about here. All right, one of my main things that I keep in stock is this Frank's Red Hot wing sauce, okay? The wing sauce, if you know on this one. Go get you the big one at Walmart. HEB has them, Kroger. This is everywhere, okay? Frank's Red Hot. It is not that spicy, but man, it's got tons of flavor. I like to keep the chicken, Kettle and Fire chicken bone broth whenever I'm cooking chicken. I also do the Kettle and Fire beef bone broth when I'm cooking beef. I always talk about the Kettle and Fire. Grab you some of those. Now today we're gonna be using chicken thighs, okay? I like chicken thighs because they got a little more fat on them. They got a little more flavor to them. You can use chicken breasts or chicken tenderloins if you want. I use those as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and just roll with some chicken thighs because man, I had some chicken thighs in stock and I love me some chicken thighs. Come on now. And what I'm gonna roll with here, there's 3 options. All right, this is gonna be so simple. Now look here. Now, Miracle Noodle makes these angel hair noodles, okay? 5 calories, 1 net carb in these jokers. All right, if you're trying to keep it low carb, go with the Miracle Noodle. You can find these at Walmart. Grab you the Miracle Noodle, all right? If you're trying to go low carb but want to get that noodle flavor, get you some of these, all right? If you don't mind the carbs, this is my favorite rice. Super easy, 90 seconds in the microwave, you're good to go. If you want to keep it low carb again, rice cauliflower, another great option, okay? These 90 seconds in the microwave, good to go. I don't have much time. I'm starving. I'm trying to get some protein, trying to get something to eat. I'm trying to show you how to do the same, so let's do this. All right, now let's check on this chicken. Woo, buddy, look at that. But what I do is I like to put the chicken in there, let that joker cook. And you can use oil if you want. You can use some olive oil or even some butter if you want. That's gonna throw a little more fat in there, but I just cook it with this bone broth. I just keep adding a little bit of bone broth, which will also give it slightly more protein, all right? Just let that sizzle a little bit. And so I like to, put it in there, keep flipping it, flip it over. And we're gonna cover it up because it's almost ready to go. Man, it's gonna be good, watch this. All right, now let's start getting that goodness in there. Gonna flip them one more time. Flip them jokers over. They just sizzling. Now I'm gonna hit it with the Frank's Red Hot. Add a little bit on there. Ooh, man, you can smell it already. So you hear that popping. When you know that goodness about to go down right there, look at that. Ooh, let's cover it up for a second. All right, let me talk to you about these Miracle Noodles real quick. What you're gonna wanna do is take it out of the package and you're gonna wanna strain them, okay? So put them in a strainer, mix a little bit of water in there, kind of rinse them off a little bit. After they're done, they look something like this. That's all that comes in that package, okay? Now use this especially if you love pasta and you're trying to go low carb, but you love your pasta. Try some Miracle Noodles out. That'll really help you. They're super low carb. So this right here will help you kind of get that pasta texture, pasta flavor. My favorite type of pasta is angel hair. So they have some angel hair. They also have fettuccine. Definitely check out some of these. Man, I get them at Walmart. I'm trying to tell you, they have them there. I saw them. I said, man, I got to jump on this. Actually, some folks have told me about these as well. So if you're looking to go low carb, but you still want to try to get your pasta a little bit, man, check out these Miracle Noodles right here. Let's go ahead and add this to that chicken now. All right, now we got that chicken on and popping in here. Look at that. Woo, buddy. So it's been just sitting there cooking in that Frank's. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. Go ahead and flip it one time. And all you're gonna do is just add your noodles in there. Let that joker sit on there. Now, you don't have to add it in if you don't want to. I like to add it in because I like to mix it in a little bit. But look at this gigantic plate that it's gonna make. This is gonna fill you up. This is gonna hold you down. It's gonna set you straight. I'm trying to tell you, but look, I like to get those noodles nice and red like that Frank's Red Hot. Get all that flavor in there. And you got that chicken, man. Let's drop it on the plate. It's ready to go. Super quick. There it is. Look at that, boys. Still cooking in that pan now. So we're gonna take this, put it on the plate. It's time to eat. Come on. There it is. Look at that. Look at the size of this plate now. Man, get those few extras. Leave none behind now. Look at that right there. Boy, come on now, still smoking. I'm trying to tell you, you're looking at about 275 calories, around 44 grams of protein because I used 8 ounces of chicken thighs. You don't have to use chicken thighs. You can roll with chicken breasts, chicken tenderloins, whatever you want to roll with, but I'm rolling with chicken thighs because I love the way chicken thighs taste. Yes, they have a little bit more fat. It's all right, you know, as long as you maintain what you do, or if it fits into your diet, go ahead, roll with it. I went ahead and used those Miracle Noodles as the, you know, angel hair pasta, real low carb. Go with that if you're on a low carb diet. They also have a fettuccine, like I mentioned before, but you don't have to get the angel hair pasta. You can put it with rice. You can put it with cauliflower rice, however you want to roll with it. I'm rolling with the angel hair Miracle Noodle. Remember, I find those at Walmart, so check them out if you're looking to find something. If you struggle with, oh, I need my pasta, I'm going low carb and I need my pasta, make sure you check out these those Miracle Noodles, man. They're so easy. Rinse them, throw them in there, they're ready to eat. But look at that joke. I want you to see that. Look at that, man. This smells good. You got to roll with that Frank's Red Hot. If you know on that Red Hot, okay? So definitely check this one out. Add this one into your routine. You are gonna like it. It cooks super quick. Remember, I cooked the 8 ounces of chicken thighs. All I cooked it in was the Kettle and Fire chicken bone broth, all right? Keep flipping it a few times. It doesn't take long. Chicken cooks so quick, all right? You're gonna have you a meal in minutes. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to show you how to make these quick and easy meals, okay? Let me know what you think on this one. Comment below. Leave me some comments on this because, man, I want you to try this one. This one's gonna be good. I think it's really gonna fit into your routine because, man, I like to have it. I've had it. Like I said, I was coming home. I didn't know what I was gonna have. Keep the protein in stock. Keep your chicken, keep your beef in stock. Keep some condiments in stock at the house so that when you have to make that decision, should I pull over at a fast food place or should I come home and make some food with the quickness, okay? This is made with the quickness. I just showed you that, all right? So 44 grams of protein. You can add more protein. You can take away some protein if you want. You could throw some veggies in this joker. I mean, whatever you want to do, add whatever you want to add to this. But man, I'm telling you, it smells so good. I'm about to tear this up. But that's what I'm talking about right there. Add this into your routine and we're going to talk to you next time. I'm about to eat. Let's go.